Okay, so the goal here at this point is for me to make 3D text in my scene, okay? So if we don't have these text right now, it's hard to tell who's doing the work, right? So in a way, some of you wanted to do this in your postcard. I'm sorry for the late lesson, but this is the same one. If you wanted to have this on the signage, this is the method, okay? So in Blender, the way to start this, and I don't know why this is not in a full screen mode here. Let me just use this anyway. Okay, so I'm here. I'm in a camera mode. I'm trying to have it orthographic, doesn't matter. Okay, so I get out of camera at this point. Watch what happens. So basically we're gonna go to add, instead of mesh like we always do, we're going to go into wherever the text is here, text, there you go. And it shoots, really, it looks from above, right? So you go to Z here, and then you zoom in, scroll in. You have to hit tab, or go to edit mode here, from object mode. So you have to go to edit mode. Highlight it, and I'm encouraging everyone to have their first name only and in capitals, okay? So that's why I'm gonna type in Alexi here, and even though this is Mayura's work. So there's Alexi, okay? Part 1. So, in this mode, okay, what happens next is this whole world opens up for you. Under A for text, okay? So the things we wanna just keep we want to use is geometry, and watch this. I'm going to spin around a bit. As you can see, it's flat. There's no extrusion, right? So there's the word geometry, extrude. So if I just type in 1 here, for example, it's going to be massive. Okay, I don't understand this, but this is what I've got. Okay, what does that look like? I have no idea. So the minute I get out of tab mode, okay, so basically now you can kind of edit this in here. So once you made your name, you typed your name, just go to object mode. Okay, this is gonna really annoy me here. 1 sec, folks. Usually my screen magnetizes and so forth. Okay, good enough. All right, so again, edit mode, edit your name, and then when you're done, go to object mode. Okay, we're done. Okay, so this may be massive here, 0.5, okay, or 1. I may go 0.5. It still doesn't matter. It's still huge compared to everything. Look how confusing this gets now. If this is my scene and it's over here, I need to rotate it to come into the view. So X, rotate a touch, look up here under item. It says 35, change it to 90. Done. Now I need to rotate on the blue axis, which is Z, this way a little bit. You rotate a little bit, and then you bump it to minus 90 or plus 90, depending on the way you have it. Second of all, you can come down here, and then go into camera view and say, does this work for me? Now you can use the scale tool. Just simply do this, okay? That works too. All right, you can type in Alexi, your name, and so forth, okay? So at the bottom left here, Alexi, I know whose animation this is. Mayura's work is fantastic here, I'm so happy. Okay, so I have the text. Sometimes in here, if I click on folder, fonts pop up. Apparently you guys don't have any, so I wouldn't worry about it, okay? I don't know how to control that. I wouldn't worry about size. Transform, no idea. Okay, I have no idea. So this is my text at this point. And then the last thing I'll do is probably come in here and go type in name, for example. And then you pick a color, for example. Okay, something like this. Here's mine, thank you very much, and life goes on. So basically this is it. So now when we watch people's animations, without knowing their last name, we just want to know their first name, and then we can hold this up and be proud of our work. So in a way to showcase your skills. Okay, so boom, this happens, there's an action. Another action, boom, comes down, falls, tic-tac-toe. All this good stuff happening. Action, reaction, there's timing, there's all that. So the goal was just to kind of write something, extrude it, and then move it around. Wow, boy, my typing's amazing here, isn't it? Look at that. Okay, that's it for this lesson, all right? So again, you can scale, boom, like that. All right, you can come in here. There's other ways of changing the size, I believe. If I go to font, maybe, somewhere here, transform. Is there something like size? Yeah, if I go 20. Okay, so there you go. You can also do it here, 2, okay? Because I scaled it, I'm sure I messed it up, but yeah, I've scaled this, so. Okay, so there you go. So you can either use scale or you can go to size. All right, that's it. Balian out.